What's up, everybody? Take a seat because we gotta speak. So today I'm finally going to do the video that a lot of people have been asking me to do, which is the how I invest in my stocks, or how I choose my stocks. Here I'm gonna screen record my my phone as I go through my Robinhood app. I'm only gonna give you guys the top 5 things that I look at, because if I go through everything, it's gonna be too long. If this video does good, I will definitely make more videos on the stock market and stuff like that. So as I'm putting my phone on do not disturb and stuff like that, I just wanted to video is not advice to go invest, or it's not official advice, so don't take my word for it. Do your own research. This is just my personal way of looking, or my personal way of how I invest in stocks. So I'm gonna go through my Robinhood account because it's the easiest. And also, let me do one more thing before I start this, because no. So yeah, right now the market is up. It's up a lot, so this is the best time I believe to invest, if anybody out there wants to invest. Of course, the links to all my affiliates will be below, so you guys can grab some free stocks and get started. So, alright, start a video here, and let's go to screen record, and then I'll go straight into it. Okay, so I'm recording now. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna see is, when you open up Robinhood, is you're gonna see the daily chart, basically, which is how much you're up or how much you're down for the day total for all your stocks. Right now it's going down, but I'm up 38.83, so that's good. I'm not gonna go through my full portfolio. There's a link below to my full portfolio. This is just Robinhood. I'm gonna just show you guys what I do, or what I look for to before I invest in a stock. So here we have Union Pacific, and the first thing I look for is the dividend yield, which is right here. The dividend yield, which you see is 1.9.7. That's the main thing I look for, because I'm a dividend investor. I love dividends. I love compound interest. I love getting paid for nothing, basically. The second thing I look for is the 52-week high and the 52-week low. Right now, this has good 52-week high and low, because the high is 211 and the low is 105. So that's $106 difference of growth. And right now it's at 203. I already own it, so this would be if I didn't own it. Second thing I look for is the 5-year. I work backwards. 5-year, it's up 119 in 5 years, which is good. Past year 203, which is, no, it didn't update yet. It's 33.07, still good. 11 for the month, for 3 months, and if it updates, 22, and it's down for the week, but that's fine. The second thing I look for, this is Stanley Black & Decker now. I look for the same thing. I'm just going through different apps, different stocks, so you guys can see like different things that I own for now. Second thing I look for is a PE ratio of under 30. The PE ratio is price to earnings, which is, I can talk about that more in a different video. So those are the 3 things I look for so far. I did the dividend yield, the 52-week high and low, and the PE ratio. The 4th thing I look for is the analyst ratings that you see right here is at 68% buy. What I look for is it has to have more than 20 analysts. This one has 19. It has to have more than 20 analysts, and it has to have at least a 60% buy, with the other 40%, the majority has to be in a hold. I don't want to see no sell. The sell, if it's more than 10%, it depends on the it depends on how I feel about the stock itself, like the company itself, if I would invest in it. So let's go over again. Dividend. The dividend yield, I like to look for dividends that are between 2 to 3%. A lot of dividends are down this year because of obviously COVID. But this Black & Decker Stanley have 1.5. I also have I can't say that word. Caterpillar. That word sounds horrible. Yeah, I have that too. It's at a 2.3, which is good, but it has 26 analysts and it's down. It's at a buy right now in a hold. So if I didn't already own this, I probably wouldn't buy it because it doesn't have a strong enough buy to me. I do own it and it's at a 50% hold, so I will hold it. This one also has a good 52-week high and low, which is the low is 87, the high is 178. And another thing I look for is the Morningstar rating, which not all companies have a Morningstar rating. Well, all of them do, but sometimes you have to actually look at it, Google it. But the research report, because I have Robinhood Gold, I get most of the stocks. I get it. So the Morningstar rating, which you see the stars right here, 1 is it's too high to buy right now, so it's close to its 52-week range, and 3 being fair value, and then 5 would be it's extremely cheap to buy. So that's a good thing. The 2 and the 4 is obviously, middle grounds. What else do I look for? Margin requirements. I don't really pay too much attention on that, honestly. Market cap. I definitely look at market cap. Market cap is basically how much all the stocks that they've sold is worth. So if you wanted to see how many stocks they have, or how many people have bought, or how many shares have been sold, you would do 95.52 billion divided by how much it's going for right now, which is $173.87. That's going above and beyond. I wouldn't do that. But yeah, that's basically how I pick stocks. And yeah. So yeah, that's how I analyze my stocks on Robinhood. I also have a Fidelity account, a Webull account, and a M1 Finance account. But I believe Robinhood is the easiest, so that's why I went through that one first. If you guys want more information about stocks and how I choose stocks, and you want me to go more in depth on each feature of Robinhood or Webull or M1 Finance, Fidelity, any of those apps, you guys can comment, and I'll probably make a video on that. Also Forex, if you guys need help with Forex, I can assist on that. So again, just to go over it, the things I look at are dividends, 52-week high, analysts, Morningstar rating, and price. Obviously, the price. So, yeah, that's it for this video. You guys enjoy. Let's go with Apple. See, Apple is down 8 cents today. 9 cents, 9.5, 10 cents, 10.05.